What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about one of my sleeper platforms that I sell on, and that is Depop. Depop's been pretty good for me. I've been selling for about half a year now, and sales are actually pretty consistent. I get at least one sale every other day. Just wanted to kind of give you some tips and tricks on how to improve your Depop store, how to improve sales, how to get better at sourcing, what to look for, what's selling, understand the market, understand your buyers that you're gonna have. But let's go jump right into tip number one. Tip number one that I have for you guys is try to find your inventory as cheap as possible. Whether you're at garage sales or Goodwill bins, it's best if you start off with paying $1 or $2 for things. So we're at the Goodwill bins. I'm gonna take you with me and let's go see what we can find. Tip number two for you guys is learning what sells on Depop. Things that sell the best are vintage clothing, Y2K style clothing, emo style clothing, shoes. I was able to be here for like 10 minutes and I picked up a couple of things already. This Hard Rock tank top should give me like 12 bucks. This is the best find probably. Red Hot Chili's pepper, it's a vintage on a Hanes heavyweight. This one should give me like 25. And this nice essential long sleeve U t-shirt should give me like 10-12 bucks. And these platforms, these are not the best brand. They're Madden Girl, not the best brand, but the condition and the style is what will sell on these on Depop. These are kind of like the emo god style ones. These should give me like 30 bucks. New row coming out. Let's go see what else we find. Things I found from that drop right there was this Carhartt hat. Pretty cool. It's like a winter hat. I also found this vintage Woolrich sweater right here. Pretty cool. Has the little patches on the elbows. This one should give me like 25 bucks. Right, I was also able to find a lot of other cool stuff on a new row they just took out. Sorry about that, they're moving that over there. Anyways, this pretty cool graphic t-shirt. It is on a vintage Freedom Loop tag. I thought it was pretty cool. Couldn't leave that behind. Another great brand that sells great on Depop is Harley Davidson. This long sleeve should give me like 15 bucks. Spirit jerseys are a great seller also on Depop. This A&M Spirit jersey should give me like 20. And this amazing Duke University pullover. I like the color, the fading to it. This one should give me like 25 bucks. Another example of great shoes that sell really good on Depop are Vans and Converse. I can't explain to you guys how many times I've sold Vans or Converse on Depop. They're pretty good fast sellers. You'll probably get around 25 to 30 depending on condition. And once again, like I said, brand matters a lot, but not in a lot of cases. Like these Mary Jane platform shoes, these are very in style right now. I don't see a brand on them anywhere, but I know they would sell very good. Hopefully I get like 20 bucks. Right guys, I think we're all done here. I think we're ready to pack up and call it a day. I paid 32 bucks for all of it. I even got some things that were not for Depop that will sell very good on Poshmark, like these Hokas and stuff like that, and these BKE jeans, but it was a good day. All right guys, here I just want to show you guys a little bit of my Depop store and how it's how I have it and what I have listed. If you guys want to check it out, it's Score with Leo. But as you can see, I had a lot of Vans and a lot of Converse, like I was saying, a lot of vintage clothing, a lot of university stuff, things that are popular right now. Tip number 4 that I have for you guys is know your buyers on Depop. On Depop, you're gonna get a lot of the vintage kids, a lot of the young people who want to find a style or want to fit in style by buying used stuff. Used clothing is in right now. So tip number 4 is know your buyers. And the last tip that I have for you guys, tip number 5, is a tip that will help you increase sales on Depop, and that is getting a bot. A lot of people don't know what getting a bot is. A bot is app or like a third-party company that you pay monthly to renew your listings, bring them all the way to the top. That way they're always fresh. They're not stale inventory or listings, I mean. And that way they're brand new every single day. More people watch it every day, more people see it, and your chances are way higher of selling. Anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, press a like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.